back to my channel and our kayaking adventures. Today we are kayaking Falls Reservoir, which is located near Baden, North Carolina. We've been wanting to kayak this location ever since we heard of this place last year. This lake has a waterfall, an abandoned fishing cabin, and some caves, which are near the base of the Narrows Dam. After a 3.5-hour drive from Asheville, we arrived at Falls Reservoir Boat Launch about 11 a.m. The boat ramp was busy with other kayakers taking advantage of the last warm weather before the cold arrives. When we put in, the water temperature was 70 degrees, which is unusually warm for this time of year. The Falls Reservoir is part of the Yadkin River project and is managed by the Aluminum Company of America as part of their hydroelectric business. It is the last of 4 reservoirs along a 38-mile stretch of the Yadkin River. The Falls Reservoir is the smallest of the 4 reservoirs and covers 204 acres and has a shoreline length of 6 miles. The Falls Reservoir is a lake created between Narrows Dam, which holds back the waters of the Baden Lake, and the Falls Dam, which marks the beginning of Lake Tillery. The land to the east of the Falls Reservoir is the Uwharrie National Forest. There are several established campsites along the shoreline. The western shore is all private land. Our first destination on this short paddle is to visit Moccasin Creek Falls, which is located on the east shoreline about 1.5 miles from the Falls Reservoir Boat Launch. While exploring Moccasin Creek Falls, we ran into Stacy. She had recognized me at the boat launch from my French Broad River series videos. She and her friends were also out enjoying the warm weather, with one of them putting in an inaugural voyage with a new kayak. After helping take some group photos, we paddled on in search of the caves, which were located near Narrows Dam. On the way to the dam, we passed by an old abandoned fishing shack. We'll stop by there on the way back. One of the things I learned when looking up this location is that there is a strong current just before the dam. Many people will get out and pull their boats along the rocks. You could possibly paddle upstream if you were determined, but it's not worth the extra hassle. And besides, it gives you a chance to stretch your legs. The dam is a little over 2 miles from the launch point. The caves were spillway caves we used to divert water during the construction of the dam. Depending on the water release from the dam, the caves can be inaccessible. Extreme caution should be taken anytime you are near the dam. After visiting the caves, we made our way back to the abandoned fishing shack. While the cabin is abandoned, it still gets plenty of use. Some visitors have been writing their names on the wall, some with the dates of their visit. I left behind a sticker on the wall. If you happen to visit this cabin, be sure to take a selfie with my sticker. Share your picture on the Kayak 7 Seas Facebook page, and I just might send you a Kayak 7 Seas sticker. But please, if you do visit this place, or any place for that matter, pack out your trash. You brought it in, be responsible, and take it out with you. Thank you for joining us on our visit to Falls Reservoir. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click that like button. Join Team Kayak 7 Seas by subscribing to this channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. As the cold weather arrives and the holidays are just around the corner, we might not have a chance to upload as frequently, so hit that notification bell. Until the next time, I hope to see you out on the water someday.